Hi and welcome to the installation video for Tradebox One. We're going to cover downloading and installing Tradebox for the first time. So the first thing we need to do is to jump on our website, click on the free trial option and fill in the form. Take special care with your email address because we're going to send you an email with the download and installation instructions. When you download Tradebox, you'll get a downloadable file, Tradebox V1 setup. Just double click on it. Click on unzip. And allow the install shield. You're just going to walk through this. You may wish to ensure that if you've got anything like antivirus on your PC, that it's configured to allow Tradebox to download and install. Click on Next, accept the terms, Next, Next, Install. And click on Finish. Okay, so when we go to log on to Tradebox the first time, it's got a default name of TB user with no password. Click on OK. It's going to detect that this is the first time you've set Tradebox up, and you've got options there to install Tradebox for the first time, install Tradebox to an existing database, and if you have a previous version of Tradebox Finance Manager, we can upgrade that existing software, take all of your channel settings and take them across into Tradebox One. I'm going to choose to install for the first time. You can see the serial numbers TB trial. That's going to last 14 days. It's going to give you full access to all of the features of the software, which is fully supported as well. Okay, first thing it's asking for is our company details. So I'm going to put in our company details. And then we want some contact details. And then your VAT number. Click on Next. Okay, so there's some defaults that we need to set up here. If you're going to be using an accounts package, you need to choose which accounts package you're going to be using. Now, at the moment, you've got an option for Sage 50 or none. There'll shortly be an option for 0 in there, and in the future, options for Sage 1 and also options for QuickBooks. If you are using an accounts package, then choose it from the drop-down list. What tax rate? So where standard rated tax, I'm going to choose that. And then finally, where you're going to get your inventory from. So Tradebox can work with an accounts package, or it can work as a standalone solution. You've got options there to take your inventory from either Tradebox, from the account software, or if you don't need inventory, choose none. In this example, I'll just choose account software. Click on Next. We've got a disclaimer about the Tradebox service, which I'll explain in a moment. Have a read of that, and if you're happy, click this box, click on Finish. Okay, it's going to tell out the Tradebox services is not currently running on this machine, and do I want to set it up on this machine? So I can say yes to that, and the service will start. Okay, so Tradebox can be installed on multiple PCs, and it has a service which runs in the background and basically connects to all of your channels that you can set up in the software, downloads your information, and then can put it into an accounts package if you've got one connected, and also do things like upload your stock and update orders. If you are going to have Tradebox installed on more than one PC, you need to decide where the service is going to be running on which PC. Usually what we would suggest is that the service is running on the same PC that the database is on. So if you're going to have a network version, you'd install Tradebox on your server. The service would run from the server, and you would have Tradebox installed on different PCs within the organization, and all of those would be writing to the database on the server. So what does the service look like? The service sits here in the system tray, and if we just click hide, that's going to disappear, and it will be down here in your system tray. It's called the Tradebox data service. And so you don't need to click on anything to download Tradebox, to download orders from eBay or Amazon or your website. The service will do it by itself. Okay, the first thing you need to do to get started is in the channel section, click on New, choose a channel from the drop-down menu, and then click on Next. And that'll be covered in other videos. In terms of preferences, if we go to Configuration, this is the details here for the information that we put in earlier. You can also put a company logo in there, and that will appear on things like Tradebox invoices if you want to use Tradebox to print invoices for you. There is a preference section, and in that preference section, you can dictate things like how long the service is going to run and what your default view is going to be. So at the moment, I've got a default view set for sales channels. Probably the most important thing to look at within all of this is on support. And on the support page, it gives you lots of information about the program, the version number, where it's installed, etc. Contact information for Tradebox. And then we've got this section here, which is your technical support. Online help desk is an important option. If we choose that, it'll fire up your browser and it will take you to the Tradebox Help Center. You can also access the Help Center on the Tradebox website by simply clicking on support. Tradebox Help Center has information on installation, integration guides, and articles in the knowledge base that will help you walk through and doing all your setup and your configuration. Also within Tradebox is access to raise support tickets. So again, you can click on here. It will take you to a section of the Help Center and you can submit a request and one of the support guys will get in contact with you. Also, you can contact us via telephone. The help desk is available on all working days and it's open from 9 till 12 and then again from 1 in the afternoon till 5 o'clock in the afternoon on all working days. What you can also do is, as I said, you can raise tickets. We do have a remote support option as well to dial into your PC and help you out if you're getting stuck. Back to the website, probably the most important question we get asked is about pricing. Okay, we've got the pricing option. We have 5 subscriptions. The first one is Community, which is free. That restricts you to a single channel. A channel would be eBay or it would be like Amazon UK, Amazon France, for example, or a website. It restricts you to 50 orders per month and it has no support. For paid subscriptions, we have further 4, and these are all based upon the number of channels you want to set in the software. So the single channel option will allow you to connect to one channel. That could be eBay, it could be a website, it could be one of the Amazon marketplaces. We have 5 channels, 10 channels, and unlimited channels. These can be paid for annually, or you can take a 3-month license. If you do commit to an annual license, you'll make a 23% saving off the pro rata 3-month license. Thanks for listening. If you have any questions, please get in contact with us, and one of our support staff will be more than happy to help you out. Thank you.